Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can upload a higher quality videos in Instagram. So in the past, Instagram automatically chose like which quality videos you could upload, like they would randomly post and process it and they'll post it, alright? But now you guys have a setting through which you guys can choose if you want to upload a higher quality video or not, alright? Let's say you have turned off that setting. If you guys have turned off that setting, then the video which is on your phone gallery, it's gonna look really good, but once you upload it on Instagram, it's gonna look really crappy. All right, so make sure you turn this setting on, otherwise all the videos you post, it's gonna be on a lower quality. But I'm gonna be telling you guys, if you guys have turned on that setting, then it's gonna use higher data in order to upload video, which means your video is gonna take a bit of more time to upload because it's uploading it on HD quality. And if you're using a data connection, then it's gonna take a lot of money out of the data. All right, so you need to keep that in mind. So let me show you guys how you guys can upload higher quality videos on Instagram. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Want to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? First step, you can click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen on Instagram. Once over here on your profile, you can click on the three line at the top of your screen. Once you click on the three line, you want to go on versus setting. Once you go on setting, you want to go on versus account over here. Once you go on account, you can see the data usage section. Click on it, and over here where it says higher quality upload, make sure to turn it on. And it says over here, upload higher quality videos on cellular or Wi-Fi. Additional processing time may be required due to larger file size, which means if you're trying to upload like HD video, the file size is going to be larger, which means it's going to take more time to upload due to like it requires to process the larger file, and it's going to take like more data usage, which means if you're using Wi-Fi, it's okay, but if you're using data, a lot of money is going to be taken out from your data, all right, because it's going to take longer time for it to upload. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can upload higher quality videos on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and make sure internet connection is fast, because if it is slow, then it's gonna take really long for your video to upload. So make sure you have that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.